Now I know that you probably heard of YouTube before. Well, obviously, right? Because if you're watching this video, chances are you are on the YouTube platform. But the question is, do you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, every hour, or even every minute? Take a look at this. This is exactly how much money you can make. Listen to one YouTube music, you can earn up to $5. If you listen to 5 music, you can earn $25. And guess what? By simply listening to 20 YouTube music a day, you can earn $100. And that could easily be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with your smartphone or computer, and you can just keep on rinse and repeat the entire strategy. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any credit card or investment to make money with this method. And it doesn't matter if you're coming from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, or any countries in the world. You can still get paid by simply listening to YouTube music. Be sure to watch to the end as I'll show you a few special tips to multiply your earnings and making 5 times more money than those who don't watch this video. Yes, you hear it right, 5 times more money with no extra work needed. So make sure you don't miss out on that. So as you can see here, this is the first website, okay, the first apps that you want to use, which is Current. As you can see here, Current, and then you get rewarded to play music. Now, very important, okay, pay close attention because I'll be showing you a couple of applications that you can download for free on your phone, and then I'll be showing you a real life example on exactly how to do this, how to play song, which music you should play, and the bonus tips that can help you to make more money. Make sure you stick along and watch all the way until the end. So make sure that you pay full attention and don't skip any part of this video because I'll be showing you on YouTube how you can actually play all of this music as you can see here and earn a lot of money online. Stay tuned. So as you can see here, when you go on to their main website, you're gonna see here, I want to earn reward while I'm running. Well, you can do it while you're running, you're working, you're doing whatever, you're sleeping. Well, you can still let the music play at the background and you are still able to make money. Now, as you can see here, this application is available on the Apple App Store and also available on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. So real quick, let me show you, this is the logo of the application, right? Earn cash and money rewards, Current music screen. Now make sure you download the right application. So for this application, there are 4.4 stars out of 111,000 reviews. It's a pretty good, it's a pretty solid application which is 100% legit. Now this is on the Google Play Store and then on the iOS, right? On the App Store, you can download the same application on your iPhone as well. Now comment down below and let me know what type of phone are you using. Do you use an Android phone or do you use an iPhone? So before I show you the real life example inside my account and show you how you can play the music and also how to select the best music that can pay you the most amount of money, I want to show you they actually have over 100,000 radio stations, okay? And one of them including YouTube. Now you can play the music online or you can play the music even when you're offline, right? This is very, very powerful. And again, you don't need to pay any money to get started on this application. This is absolutely free and you can earn points by playing your favorite music and then you can convert the point into actual money. So once you've downloaded the application on your Google Play Store or you download on the App Store, right, you're gonna go on to the radio station which is the YouTube music. Now when you log in into your account, you're gonna see something like this, okay? Pay close attention because this is just one of the ways to play the music and make money. I'll show you 2 ways, okay? 2 methods that you can play the music and make money. Make sure you stick around and I'll show you a few bonus tips that can help you to make 3 times, even sometimes 4 times more money compared to other people. Now as you can see here, this is a YouTube music homepage. Now when you scroll down below, you're gonna find there are a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and also a lot of artists, right? A lot of recommended music that you can choose from. And then when you play the YouTube music along with the Current website, right, when you combine these 2 applications, you are able to generate profit, right, on complete autopilot. And I'll show you exactly a real life demonstration in a moment. So right now, I want to show you my own example, right? This is one of the playlists that I highly focus on, meaning that I can play this playlist. As you can see here, there's so many music that queue up. As you can see, queue, meaning that I can add the music into this playlist. And then once this music finish, for example, this one, say you won't let go, okay? 3 minutes and 31 seconds. And once this finish playing, it can automatically go on to the next music, so on and so forth. And they're gonna automatically play all the musics right here. And then every single song, I am gonna get paid. Now the magic happens, songs, right? When you're able to loop the playlist, as you can see here, when I hover my mouse to this icon on the bottom right hand corner, right, I can turn on the repeat button, meaning once this playlist finish playing, right, from the song number 1 all the way until the last song, they're gonna automatically jump back to the first song and replay the entire playlist so that I can make money over and over again. So here's the bonus tips I want to give you is that number 1, make sure you queue up a lot of music. As you can see here, I queue up about 20, right, about 20 songs as you can see here, so that I can make money faster. And also the second tips I want to give you is that when you go onto the home page, you're gonna see this hot list. Okay, when you click on the hot list, you're gonna see more higher quality and more recommended videos and also music videos that you can watch. Again, I would highly recommend you choose one of these videos because they're gonna pay you more money from the current. Again, pay close attention because YouTube, they are not gonna pay you the money, but this website current is the one that's gonna pay you the money. You can sync, right? You can synchronize your YouTube music with this application so that when you play the music on YouTube, you are gonna get paid. Now this is the first method that you can play the music and make money. Now the second method, which I want to show you right now, which is you are much more familiar with, right? Maybe you watch YouTube videos every single day. Now you are watching YouTube right now, but do you know that you can actually play videos, right? Music videos. For example, this one, Pop Hits 2020, Top 40 Popular Songs. You can listen to music playlists like this, for example, 1 hour, and then you can make money again and again by just repeating, by just listening to all of these musics right here. So this is a real example that I'm showing you right now because I'm opening 3 tabs. As you can see here, I'm using my computer, but again, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, but right now I'm doing it from my computer. As you can see here, this is just the first tab on my Google Chrome browser. Now I open up another new tab to listen to another music, and I do open up a third browser to listen to another music. So right now, as you can see here, I have 3 music playlists running. Like number 1, right, this is number 1, and then the number 2 playlist, and number 3, right, this is where the magic happens again. Again, this is another bonus tip that I want to give you is that you can open up multiple tabs, right, to listen to music to earn money again and again. So again, I want to show you a few quick tips right here that can help you to make even more money. So number 1, when you go onto YouTube, you want to find a music that has at least, right, 1 hour. As you can see here, this is 1 hour because the longer the music, the more music that you play, the more money you're gonna make, right? So right now, I want to give you another tip is that when you go on to click on this settings button, when you click on here, you want to maximize the speed by double, right? Because by default, the speed is gonna be normal, but when you double the speed to double, right, click on here, you can see here playback speed is 2, meaning you can play the music so much faster, right? You can play it at a double speed, meaning the more music you're gonna listen, the more money you're gonna make, right? This is so powerful. Now if you appreciate these bonus tips right here, make sure you smash that like button, okay? Now I'm gonna give you another tips where you can actually turn off the quality to 144p. That means that if you have a low internet connection or you have a lot of people sharing internet or Wi-Fi with you, you can still play the music efficiently because you want to play them in multiple tabs. As you can see here, I open 3 tabs to play the music. It's very important for you to reduce the quality to 144p so that it doesn't consume your internet, so you can do other things. Maybe you are watching other videos, you are doing your own thing, right? It can still play without stopping, right? Very important. So again, make sure that you connect your YouTube radio station to the current music application, right? When you connect these both, you can actually play them on the second method, which I show you right now on the YouTube platform, or using the first method using the YouTube music platform, right? You can just use either one of these methods, but right now I want to show you the final, or the final bonus tips. If you are still watching right now, comment down below I'm still watching, because as usual on my videos, I always give you the best tips at the end of this video because you are the one who are serious that pay close attention until the end. So right now I want to show you this new Google Chrome extension. As you can see here, YouTube playback speed control. Now you can download this on your Google Chrome, you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone. This is absolutely free, right? They have over 80,000 users right now. So the magic happens when you download this Google Chrome browser, you can play this on your phone at 3 times the speed, right? Because as usual, because when you look at YouTube, the maximum speed is up to 2 times. You can see here normal 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, up to 2 times the maximum. Now when you use this Google Chrome extension, right, you can play at 3 times the speed, right? Triple the speed. As you can see here, you can manage the speed on the top right hand corner. Also, when you notice here, control the speed of YouTube playback using the keyboard. Now you can press the plus button to increase the speed, or you can press the decrease button to decrease the playback speed. Now when you download this extension, you can make so much money because you can play the music so much faster on the YouTube platform as well as on the YouTube music platform. Now this is the bonus tips I want to give you at the end of this video. So again, all you gotta do is just go on the Google Play Store to download this application, and also Also, if you're using iPhone, you can go on to the App Store to download the current rewards offline music application.
Guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. This is a super simple strategy that's going to allow you to make some really good money online. But don't go anywhere. I've got another fantastic video over here that you can watch right now of another strategy that's going to allow you to make even more money. Thank you so much for watching, guys.